In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a loan on the Barclays app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look out for, and how to finish your application confidently, all without affecting your credit score during the early checks. Start by opening the Barclays app and logging in securely. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, head to the Products and Services section. This is where Barclays groups the tools and offers related to borrowing and other financial products, so it's the best place to begin. From there, look for the option to check your eligibility for a loan. This is a quick behind-the-scenes soft check only, which means it won't leave a mark on your credit file or impact your score. It's simply a way for Barclays to see if they can offer you a loan right now based on the information they already have and the criteria they use. If you're eligible, you'll see a personalized loan quote. This quote is tailored to you and typically includes the loan amount you can apply for, the representative interest rate, and an estimated monthly repayment. Take a moment to review it carefully. You can usually adjust the details to fit your needs, like changing the loan amount or the repayment term. As you tweak these, watch how the monthly repayments change. A longer term often means lower monthly payments, but it can increase the total amount you repay overall. Aim for a balance that's comfortable month to month and sensible over the lifetime of the loan. Once you're happy with the figures, open the terms and conditions and read through them. Check the interest rate, any fees, and the total amount repayable so you understand exactly what you're agreeing to. When everything looks right, complete the application within the app. Follow the prompts and confirm your details as requested. It's straightforward and designed to take just a few minutes. After you submit, Barclays will review your application. In many cases, you'll get an instant decision right on the screen. If they need a little more time, you'll typically be notified in the app when the decision is ready. And that's it. Your loan application through the Barclays app is complete. Keep an eye on your app notifications for updates, and remember you can revisit the Products and Services section anytime to review your options or check the status of your application.